An atom is made up of three particles: a proton, a neutron, and an electron. Protons have a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and an electron has a negative charge. Isotopes are elements that have different mass numbers to the original element. Take carbon, for example. Regular carbon is known as carbon-12 because there are 12 particles in the nucleus, but carbon-14, on the other hand, has 2 extra neutrons, which makes it unstable. Nitrogen is an element on the periodic table. Its chemical symbol is N, its chemical number is 7, and its mass number is 14.007. Here's the periodic table. Here's nitrogen. Nitrogen is usually found as a gas. Its melting point is negative 210 degrees, and its boiling point is negative 195.795 degrees. Nitrogen was discovered by this chap, Daniel Rutherford. He lived in the land of freedom. That's right, Scotland. Where is nitrogen found? Nitrogen can be found in many places. It is found in the solar system, more specifically on the dwarf planet known as Pluto. Now Pluto used to be a normal planet, but it got kicked out, so now it's sad. Pluto's along the dwarf planets such as Ceres, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake. Pluto's surface is made up of solid nitrogen. Nitrogen can also be found in the air that we breathe. How is nitrogen used? Nitrogen by itself isn't used very commonly, but when combined with hydrogen, it makes ammonia, which can be used to make fertilizers, dyes, and bombs. Chemical reactions. There are two types of chemical reactions, exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic reactions release heat, and endothermic reactions absorb heat. Exothermic reactions release more energy than the amount required to activate them. Here's a graph of an exothermic reaction. Endothermic reactions require more energy to activate them than what is released. Here's a graph of an endothermic reaction. The chemical equation for ammonia is N2 plus H2 is NH3. This is not balanced though, as the numbers do not match. The real equation is N2 plus 3H2 is 2NH3, and this reaction is exothermic. Radiation. Radiation comes in three types: alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha is made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Beta is made up of 1 electron. And gamma is made up of waves. Gamma is the most dangerous version of radiation. Alpha particles can be stopped by air and paper. Beta particles can be stopped by human skin and metals. Gamma radiation can be stopped by lead and concrete and passes through everything else.